Basic considerations on natural resources. Natural resources are not only essential production factors for agriculture, but contribute also to achieving goals in other sub-areas of a farming system. Natural resources can be divided into 5 categories: renewable and non-renewable primary raw materials, land, or more generally, physical space, the environmental media water, soil, air, flowing resources such as geothermal heat, wind, tidal and solar energy, and biodiversity. The availability and quality of natural resources often depend not only on decisions within a farming system, but also on the decisions of all users of the respective resources. Examples include competition for water resources or the use of communal land and forests. These relationships and dependencies on higher system levels are the subject of vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis examines the interdependencies between the sub-areas of farming systems in the use of natural resources. The internal and external aspects overlap in their effects. The separation between horizontal and vertical analysis serves only to structure the investigations and considers the respective complexity of both dimensions. Only the combination of the results of both analyses allows conclusions to be drawn about the causes of the situation and the effects on decisions in farming systems. The elements and procedures of vertical analysis are the subject of a separate learning unit and are not further elaborated in this learning unit. As part of the horizontal analysis, this learning unit discusses the resource analysis using the examples of water resources, forest, and energy. However, the methodological approach can also be applied to all other natural resources. For the assessment of the use of natural resources, the interactions with the other resources of a farming system are always decisive. For example, the use of land is directly related to the available mechanization, the financial means to purchase production resources, and the labor force for carrying out amelioration and maintenance measures. The use of water resources is related to the availability of financial means for more efficient irrigation techniques and possibilities for multiple uses in the household and horticulture. Collecting firewood for the household can be more advantageous than purchasing fuels with higher energy density if corresponding labor capacities are available, but financial means are scarce. 3 central aspects for the horizontal analysis of natural resources in farming systems emerge from these considerations. Firstly, this part of the holistic analysis considers the decision regarding the use of natural resources within the farming system. Secondly, this part of the analysis determines the contribution of these natural resources to the material success criteria of a farming system. This contribution consists of direct contributions of the respective natural resources and indirect contributions through the improvement of contributions of other resources. Thirdly, reasons for a possibly suboptimal use of natural resources by people engaged in agriculture are identified.